Hey everyone, welcome to this video where we will introduce you to Rewardful, the affiliate software that makes it easy to grow your SaaS business. If you are running a subscription-based service and want to expand your reach, Rewardful is the perfect tool. Let's dive in to see how it works. First of all, what is Rewardful? Rewardful is an affiliate and referral management software designed for SaaS businesses. It helps you set up affiliate programs, track referrals, and reward your partners, all without the complexity of traditional affiliate systems. It's built to help you grow your revenue through affiliate partnerships, turning your customers and supporters into brand ambassadors. Then why choose Rewardful? Why Rewardful? Because it's simple, effective, and designed for subscription-based businesses. Here are a few reasons. Ease of use. Set up an affiliate program in minutes. Seamless integration. Connect with tools like Stripe, Paddle, and ChargeBee. Customizable commissions. Choose one-time or recurring payments based on your business goals. With Redful, you will have everything you need to grow your revenue while saving time and effort. How to set up Redful? Now, let's set up your Redful account. It's quick and easy. Go to redful.com and create your account. It only takes a few minutes. Next, connect Rewardful to your payment platform. This ensures all your transactions, referrals, and commissions are tracked automatically. Customize your affiliate program. Decide how much commission you will pay. Whether it's a one-time reward or recurring payment for easy subscription renewal. Invite your customers, partners, or influencer to join your program. They will get a unique referral link to start promoting your product. Finally, monitor your program using Rewardful's dashboard. See how affiliates are performing, track clicks, signups, and sales all in one place. And just like that, your affiliate program is live. How Rewardful helps your business? Rewardful helps your business grow by leveraging the power of word of mouth marketing. Affiliates and customers promote your service, driving more signups and increasing your revenue. Build trust. People trust recommendations from their network, making affiliates a powerful marketing channel. Save time. Automate tracking, payments, and reporting with Rewardful. Scale fast. Expand your reach without increasing your marketing budget. Rewardful has Rewardful has been a game changer for our growth. It's so easy to use, and the results speak for themselves. With Rewardful, we have doubled our monthly signups thanks to our amazing affiliates. Now, real life use cases. Here's how in businesses like yours are using Rewardful to succeed. Subscription services, Rewardful affiliates for bringing in new customers. Educational platforms, partner with influencer to promote your courses. Software tools, offer recurring commissions for every subscription renewal. No matter your niche, Rewardful adapts to your business model. Are you ready to take your SaaS business to the next level? Rewardful makes it simple to create, manage, and grow affiliate programs that deliver real results. Don't wait. Unlock your growth potential with Rewardful. Rewardful because growing your SaaS should be simple, rewarding, and effortless. And that's it. Thanks for watching.